Which planet in the solar system holds the most water? Many people might think it's Earth, since about 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, leaving only about 29% exposed as land. If you look at Earth from space, you'll see a beautiful blue planet. For a long time, people generally believed that Earth was the most water-rich body in the solar system. However, with deeper exploration of other celestial bodies, this perception was completely overturned. Scientists were shocked to discover that there is actually another world with far more water than Earth, a moon nicknamed the Super Reservoir, Ganymede, Jupiter's moon. So, how much water does Ganymede really hold? And how many times more than Earth is that? Let's dive into this mysterious celestial body. Hello everyone, welcome to Encyclopedia Studio. Since humanity began space exploration, Jupiter has been a prime target for scientists. As the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter's volume is more than 1,300 times that of Earth. With its immense gravity, Jupiter has captured 92 moons, making it the planet with the second most satellites in the solar system. Among them, one moon is so big it surpasses Mercury in size, and that is today's main character, Ganymede. Ganymede, also known as Jupiter 3, was discovered in 1610 by Italian scientist Galileo Galilei. With a diameter of about 5,262 kilometers, it is the largest moon in the solar system. Since Galileo's discovery, astronomers have never stopped observing it. At first, limited technology meant that scientists could only study it through telescopes, so knowledge remained scarce. In 1973, NASA launched Pioneer 10, which became the first probe to fly past Ganymede. By 1979, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 also flew by, capturing a wealth of photos and precisely measuring Ganymede's size, confirming its title as the largest moon. Then, in August 1989, the Galileo spacecraft was launched at a cost of $1.5 billion. Equipped with nuclear power and advanced instruments, its mission was to study Jupiter and its four largest moons. After a 6-year journey, Galileo entered Jupiter's orbit on December 8, 1995. By June 1996, it made its first close flyby of Ganymede. The data it sent back revealed that Ganymede is primarily made of silicate rock and ice, with ice making up 46 to 50% of its total mass. Its surface temperature averages a frigid -174 degrees Celsius. Scientists found that Ganymede is covered by a massive ice shell, up to 150 kilometers thick. Beneath that ice, there may lie a vast hidden ocean. Later, the Hubble Space Telescope observed Ganymede using ultraviolet spectroscopy. It found that its thin atmosphere is mostly oxygen, along with traces of hydrogen, water vapor, and carbon dioxide, an exciting discovery for scientists. Based on data from Galileo and Hubble, researchers estimated Ganymede's subsurface ocean depth at about 100 kilometers. For comparison, Earth's oceans average just 3.8 kilometers in depth. And that 100 kilometers figure is actually a conservative estimate. By calculation, Ganymede may hold more than 15 billion cubic kilometers of water, over 10 times the volume of Earth's water. On March 12, 2015, NASA officially announced that Ganymede contains far more water than Earth, making it the most water-rich celestial body in the solar system. To further study Ganymede, NASA's Juno spacecraft performed a close flyby on June 7, 2021. It captured the highest resolution images of Ganymede to date and investigated its atmosphere, internal ocean, magnetic field, and ice shell. The results confirmed the presence of a massive ocean beneath the ice, and even detected mineral salts and organic compounds on its surface. Could this mean life exists there? If not, then where did these chemical signatures come from? Ganymede is unique. It is the only known moon with its own magnetic field. Early Hubble images even showed its spectacular auroras. Scientists believe that Ganymede has the basic conditions required for life. To uncover more secrets, the European Space Agency, ESA, launched the JUICE mission, the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, on April 14, 2023, costing $5 billion. Equipped with instruments capable of detecting potential life, JUICE will study Jupiter's three large icy moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, to determine whether any of them might harbor life. This is an extremely challenging mission, and a major step in humanity's search for extraterrestrial life. According to the plan, JUICE will arrive at Jupiter in July 2031 and enter Ganymede's orbit, making it the first spacecraft ever to orbit a moon other than Earth's. At that time, humanity will be able to study Ganymede in unprecedented detail, and perhaps unlock the mysteries hidden beneath its icy shell. In the near future, we may finally lift the veil on Ganymede's great secret.